Hey guys, I'm back with another video. So today I am going to do a wig review. I know I have one for my green wig that I still have yet to do. I'll probably do that after this. So if you see me in the same makeup but switch the wig, that is why, because I don't got time to change my makeup. Anywho, so today's wig review is going to be on this unit here I have on. This is called Roxy from, who is this from? Outre. It's Outre's Quick Weave. It's a half wig and it's in the color 1B. I don't have the bag, I don't know, but I'll post the picture of the girl like right here, and that'll be her. I really like this wig. It takes me back to 2013-ish when I wore half wigs a lot because I was transitioning into being natural. So I had decided around that time that I would stop getting like perms and stuff. So I would let my like new growth grow, but my ends were still straight, so I would braid them and then leave it out and it'd be all crinkly like this. But at this point in life, I didn't even bother to do that. I kind of just gelled down my baby hairs, blow dried my hair, and threw it in a little bun, and then I had the back out. Under this, my hair is braided into like dookie braids because I didn't have time and my nails are too long. Sorry, my hand is a little dirty. I just recorded a makeup tutorial. But yeah, I really like this unit. It's synthetic. So I find that a lot of times with synthetic hair, the curly hair always lasts longer because they look better when they get old. But not like too old where it's like stiff, but like it looks more realistic when they get a little older because it loses the luster. Whereas I had a straight wig and they don't last as long. Like if you wear them back to back to back, and then if you get them wet, it's over. Like what happened with one of my straight wigs, I had got caught in the snow, and then the next day my wig, the ends on my wig was a little nappy and I was kind of disappointed. Whereas if I was to get caught in the snow with this one, the most that's going to happen is that it'll just look more frizzy, which I don't mind because it makes it look more natural. And this is very light. That's another reason why I like this. And it was only $9.99 off of hairsisters.com. So, and I paid $2.99 for shipping. So I ordered this unit and I ordered the perm wedge from Sensational. And that one was beautiful. I got that in the 1B30 and it was bomb.com. But that's the wig that got nappy. So what I might do is do like a wig review on it. It still has a little life, but I have to like bring it back to life. Maybe that'll be my video, how to bring a wig back to life. But yeah, I really like it. Like this one. It has one large comb at the top, one large comb in the back, and it's like adjustable straps. So even if I wanted to wear this as a big ponytail, it could happen. So maybe when my hair gets a little bit longer, I'll wear it as a big ponytail. Y'all gonna be like, ooh, what kind of ponytail is that? And I'll be like, girl, it's that Roxy. And lately I've seen this wig as $9.99 everywhere, so hopefully it's not going out of stock because I really like this. If that's the case, I'll buy 2 more of this one because it's only $9.99. It's $10, so you know, I'll buy maybe $30 and then tax shipping. I spent a good $40 on 3. But yeah, one thing I really like about this wig is that it blends in with my natural hair pretty well. Like, if you can see, excuse my natural hair. But if I was to straighten this and then braid it, or like put mad gel on it and then braid it, it would be lit. But I didn't even bother to do that today. My edges is all crusty. I used some Got To Be just to lay my edges down. And I just kind of tucked this behind my ear. I just wanted to get this effect here, and I pushed it in the front. So it looked like it. But, you know, only thing that might catch me slipping is if the wind blow. But ain't nobody got time for the wind. It's the winter time too. So this is a great wig for somebody who is low maintenance. If you are in between protective styles, if you are in between getting your weave done, or like if you're on your way to get your weave done and you're like, my hair, I don't want to wear a bonnet, just throw on a quick wig. Quick weave. It's a quick weave. Half wig. Yes. Throw on a half wig and get your life. This is great. So yeah, if you really like it, I'm going to put the link down below. I am going to yeah, that's what I'm gonna put it down below. Thanks for watching. Peace, love, and hair grace.